Hi,
Yes.
Kiara. Good evening. Kiara, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, Miss.
Okay. Let's wait for the others to come. I hope you read the the review of the flip materials
About
on
the greenhouse,
what's
Miss.
about the what? Pardon?
About the sky greens in Singapore.
Exactly. Yep. I'm pretty sure you still remember that I've told you many, many times a topic sentence should end with a period. So there you go. Where are the others anyway?
There are only the two of us, Miss.
I know, but on WhatsApp, I think they're all still on WhatsApp or something. I don't know.
Miss, can I ask you something?
Sure, go ahead. What is it?
Is Leah really moved to Kertajaya?
Yes, Lia Gayung Sari is now in Kertajaya. The office is now in Kertajaya. Hi,
So if
Bima.
we,
Good evening. Bima, can you hear my voice?
Yeah,
Okay, is it clear?
clear.
Clear. Okay, there you go. Yes. Was it? What is it, Kiara?
so if we want to go to Leah, we have to go to Kertajaya.
Sure, that's the office. But why do you want to go to the office though?
Oh, I thought if we want to learn in Leah, we have to go to Kertajaya.
We are learning at Lia at the moment.
I mean, the course offline.
The pardon, the what? The course of?
I mean, if we want to learn Leah offline, we have to go to Kertajaya.
The deal is if you want to have an offline class, there must be at least 6 learners in that class. So
Oh,
if only one person agrees to have an offline class, we're not going to open the offline class. I'm so sorry.
okay, Miss. Thank
Where
you
are?
for
Yep.
telling me.
What is it? Sorry.
Thank you for the information, Miss.
I see. No problem, Kiara. My pleasure. Where are the others anyway? They were all still in WhatsApp or what? Let's go, Leo learners. Let's go, Leah learners. We're waiting. Oh, who are already here? Kiara, Bima, and I are waiting on Zoom. And then suddenly Marcelo is like Bima last session. Where's the link? Bima, where did you find the link today?
In the flip material, I forgot last week.
So usually new learners, well, not all teachers are like me, but I like to put the Zoom link there because sometimes I forget to put the Zoom link on WhatsApp. So if I already put it there, I'm sure that you can find it when you finish the flip material. So, where are they? Oh, there. Arel is here. Hi, Aurel. Good evening. Nazla is already here. Okay. Now Marcela is also on. Oh, can I ask a favor, everyone? So this is the deal. When you don't have a profile picture for your Zoom, when the video is recorded, I only got blank spaces. I don't have your name or whatever there. So sometimes when I check the video again to see who was online on that day, I cannot decide. Was it Bima or was it Nazla or was it Aura? So please put a profile picture or at least a name of yourself, just like my profile picture is my name. Marcelo too. Marcelo has a unique profile picture, so that will be fine because I immediately know it's Marcelo's Zoom. Okay. Hi, Marcelo. Welcome to our class. Okay.
Hi, Miss.
So next session, I hope Bima, Nazla, Kiara, and Aurel will put some profile picture for their Zoom. Okay. Let's discuss this one. So what's the difference between this correct sentence with the previous answers? Kiara, it doesn't mean that I hate you, that I'm taking your sentence as an example, but you are the closest one to the correct topic sentence. So I'm using yours as an example. What's the difference? Nobody can tell?
The period, Miss.
The period, there you go. Aurel, you missed this one, this little dot at the end. Okay. As you can see in the picture I sent earlier, here you go. A full stop is used to mark the end of a sentence. It may sound small. Ya Allah, miss, it's just a full stop, a period, hello. But in academic writing is what you are doing with Leah. Many students do not use them, and it's not a sentence when you don't end it. Okay, so you will need academic writing for your paper in college, for your paper in high school, for your work later. So it is extremely important that you learn the correct way to write academic writing. Okay, it's not that I'm searching for small mistakes and make it big. It's not something like that. I'm here to help you. Remember, making mistakes are usual, no problem at all. If you don't make mistakes, you're not learning anything. So this is the deal. Sky greens in Singapore is the verb, and then your opinion, the perfect sustainable solution to food supply. Okay. Now we are going to learn to make a topic sentence. So if you take a look at your student book, please open your student book to page, what page is it? I forgot. Okay, 4C. So please take a look at lesson 4C. There you go. Indonesia berkebun. Okay, we have Indonesia berkebun. And we have 7 sentences here. Which one do you think is the opinion from these 7 sentences?
Six, Miss.
Number 6, currently more than 30 cities and 8 colleges. Is that a fact or an opinion?
Fact.
Fact. So not number 6. I'm going to scratch number 6. It's not this one. Any other guesses?
Number 4.
Number 4, please read it.
It is a positive example of a community act to popularize urban farming.
Now, this is the key word. Okay. Positive. So well done, Kiara. It is an opinion because we cannot tell if it's true or false. It is an opinion of the writer. Okay. So that is exactly what we are searching for, the main idea. Remember, the main idea is the opinion of the writer. Now let's try and combine the topic and the main idea. Please type it in the chat box or you can type it on my screen. Remember, don't forget the period. So the topic is Indonesia berkebun. The main idea is number 4. Nobody? Okay. Marcelo, Indonesia berkebun. It is a positive example. Marcelo, you have 2 subjects in a sentence and you don't have a conjunction. The deal is Indonesia berkebun is already it. So you don't need it. If I change your sentence, it will be it is a positive example. So can you fix your sentence, Marcelo?
Yes, Miss.
Copy paste, make it quicker. Is a positive. There you go. Thank you. Aurel, one thing. Indonesia berkebun is a title. So both must start with a capital letter. Can you fix your sentence? Copy paste and fix that berkebun. Thank you, Marcelo. There you go. Aurel also got it. Yep, that's the correct topic sentence for this part. Now, we are going to try to make a concluding sentence. Do you still remember how we can make a concluding sentence? Oh, by the way, Aurel, where's Kyla? Aurel? She's not here. Learners, can you hear me?
Yeah, Miss.
Okay, so how can we make a concluding sentence?
Find the main idea.
Using the main idea and the topic,
Yeah.
and use different
Different.
words.
Oh, different words.
Use different words from the topic sentence. Okay, so as easy as that. I'm going to put you into two groups. Lima, you're going to work with Marcelo. Aurel, you're going to work with Kiara. Please come up with a concluding sentence for Indonesia Berkebun. Okay. How many minutes do you need? 3 or 5?
5.
5. Nobody ever chooses the smaller number. Okay, there you go. Please make a concluding sentence. Oh, really? Aurel, you need to join breakout room 2 and work with Kiara to make a concluding sentence for Indonesia Berkebun. Hi, Kiara. Welcome back. Can you hear my voice?
Yes, Miss?
Okay. Is my voice lagging?
No.
No. Okay. Aurel, is my voice clear now?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. So I was wondering, that's what happened when I cannot see your faces. I already told you this last session. When I cannot see your faces, I don't know what the problem is. So I was like, I was unaware that my voice was lagging at Aurel's end. So there. Okay. Marcelo and Bima, are you here? Oh yeah, Marcelo and Bima are here. So are you ready to share your group's concluding sentence? Please type your group's concluding sentence in the chat box. Hmm. To make use of. To make use of. Okay. Hmm. I'm going to wait for Bima and Marcelo.
Miss.
Marcelo and Bima, please type your concluding sentence in the chat box.
Sorry, Miss. I don't know how to make the concluding sentence.
Oh, okay. So you're still confused. See, this is Marcelo. I told this last session to the class. If you don't turn on your video, I don't know what difficulties that you may have. I don't even know that you are having difficulties because I cannot see your face. So it's really important for me to be able to see your face. However, if you still don't want to turn on your video, don't blame me if I don't know your difficulties. Okay, so this is the deal. This is for Kiara and Aurel too. Marcelo, Bima, please take a look at Kiara and Aurel's sentence. Indonesia berkebun. Aurel, can you please read it? Aurel,
Yes, Miss.
can you please read the topic
Indonesia,
sentence?
Indonesia Berkebun has a goal to make use the non-productive land in urban areas.
The deal is a goal to make use of the non-productive land is not an opinion, unfortunately. So it is not the concluding sentence that we are looking for. Remember, we need to put the main idea, which is our opinion, also in the concluding sentence. Do you still remember the opinion in the topic sentence? This one, right?
Number 4. Yes.
It is positive. Now, let's try and change this sentence into something else. If you are confused, this is the trick. If you are confused, use synonyms of the words. Let's take a look at positive. What is the synonym of the word positive?
Negative.
Synonym.
Good.
Good. Okay, so example. Another word for example. Because you're still learning, this is the way we do it. Go to Google, example, synonym. Of course, during the test, you cannot do this, but this is a learning process for you. The more you use synonyms, the easier for you to remember them. Okay, so how about choosing one of these synonyms, for example? Which one that you think fit with the urban farming, with Indonesia Berkebun?
Model.
Model, why not? Sure, let's use model. So we already have good model, and then we need community act. Oh, it's probably a bit difficult. How about this one? Popularize. What can you use for the synonym of popularize? Go on, you can Google.
Make popular.
Make what? Pardon, Kiara?
Make popular.
Make popular. Okay, sure, why not? So this is how we make our concluding sentence. Check this one out. Okay, so concluding sentence could be something like this. Indonesia Berkebun gives a good model for people, see community, I use people, for people to make urban farming popular. There you go. Can you see the similarities between this one and the topic sentence and this one? Hey, wait. Oh, there you go. See, this is a good model. This one is a positive example. And then we have for people. This is of a community. And then popularize, make popular. Urban farming, I'm still using urban farming, no problem. And that's how we make a concluding sentence. Okay, it doesn't have to be so difficult. Just take a look at the main idea and then change the words. Okay. Now, let's do this next part. We are going to decide, there are 6 more sentences here. Which ones are for purpose? Which ones are for networks? Which ones are for concepts? Okay. Do you want to work in groups or do you want to work together as 4 people here?
Together, maybe.
Together, sure. Which one do you think is the purpose?
Number 1.
Number 1, exactly. Goal, purpose. So number 1 is number 1. Number 1 is number 1. Oh, I'm going to type number 1 here. Okay. Oh, Aurel, you're using a laptop. Can you please type the words in number 1? Please type it on my screen. How about purpose number 2? Which number is that? Still too
Number
difficult?
5.
Oh, number? Sorry?
5.
Number 5. Hang on a second. Number 5 is the community mainly cultivate. Yep, why not? Sure. Number 5 is the purpose, to cultivate organic plants. Okay. How about networks? Networks are easy. Which ones are talking about networks? Jejaring.
Number 3.
Yes, exactly. Number 3 and
2.
huh?
6.
6. There you go. Number 3 and 6. So the concepts would be number
2 and 7.
2 and 7. Exactly. 2 and 7. Now, this is the deal. We are going to try to write this as a paragraph. I know it says work in pairs, but we're going to try to do it individually. So everyone, please make what was the what did I type anyway in the classroom? Create an online writing file. So please create your online writing file. You can use Google Docs, Google Slides, Canva, up to you, and send the link to WhatsApp. We are going to write about Indonesia berkebun instead. Okay. Because I see that some of you are still confused about concluding sentence. We are just using Indonesia berkebun. Go on then. Please send me the link. Anyone? Nobody? So create a Google Doc, a Google slide. There. Aurel is sending one. Yeah. Aurel, make it public. It's still private. We cannot view your file. If you are not sure how to make your Google Doc, just go to your Gmail or G Drive and click on the plus point. So compose, you can use this. Oh, so sorry. Different. Click on the Google Apps. Sorry. Kiara. Ding ding. Let's see if Kiara's. Thank you, Kiara. Okay. Kiara, you already have the topic and the main idea. Please type the topic sentence and the paragraph of Indonesia Berkebun. Okay, let me check. Thank you. Aurel already opened her file also. So if you are not familiar with how to make Google Doc, you can go to your Gmail and click this 9 small dots. Find Google Docs. Tring. There you go. Blank is fine. Aurel, you too, you can start typing your paragraph of Indonesia Berkebun. Okay, Marcelo already sent me the link. Marcelo, your file is still private. Please make it public. Oh, we only have 2 minutes. This is your choice, up to you. Do you want us to have another Zoom session so that you have me to guide you live? Or do you want us to go offline so you can do your writing alone? Up to you. Let's vote. Kiara, another Zoom session or offline? Offline. I'm not offline. Online still, but not on Zoom. Zoom or no Zoom?
I don't know, Miss.
Duh. You just have to choose between two options, Zoom or no Zoom.
I can't decide. Maybe you should ask the other first.
Aurel, how about you? Zoom or no Zoom? Oh, Aurel choose Zoom. Okay. Marcelo, Zoom or no Zoom?
Zoom.
Zoom. Bima, Zoom or no Zoom?
No Zoom.
No Zoom. Kiara, you're the deciding voice. Zoom or no Zoom?
Zoom?
Zoom. Okay. So we are going to have another Zoom session. If this ends, please click the link again. Okay.
Miss,
Marcelo, yours is still private.
Miss,
Yes. What is it,
how
Marcelo?
become public?
Oh, click this one, share. Okay.
Yes.
And then change the, there you go. Anyone on the internet with this link can comment. So change this part. Bima, by the way, you are free if you don't want to join the Zoom. However, please share the link to your